Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss in the house. How y'all doing today? So today's video is going to be a super short review of a product that I have been using. I've been using it for the last couple of months or so, and I just simply took that long because A, I had a lot going on. B, I wanted to really give you guys my honest opinion about this specific product. So if you've seen the thumbnail, then you already know what we're going to talk about on today. So today's video is all about the Bronner Brothers Castile soap. The one specifically that I'm going to talk about is the Hemp Peppermint Pure Castile soap. So this is what it looks like. And look, y'all, before we get into it, yes, I know I have black stuff all over my hands. I've been doing some DIY and paint got all over me. So just get that out the way so don't nobody be asking about this black stuff on my hands. Okay. So let's jump into why did I purchase this product. I purchased it because I saw a lot of natural hair sisters and brothers and a lot of those with locks talk about this specific product, and it's kind of mixed feelings about it, but most videos that I saw had positive things to say about this particular Castile soap, specifically in their hair, and so I decided to just give it a go. This product is not cheap. This is an 8 floral ounce, so it's not even the big bottle of this stuff. It gets as high as, I believe, up to 15 bucks, something like that, give or take. I might be exaggerating the price a little bit, but this one cost me $6 on sale. It's Sprouts, but the one, because it's a versatile product, you can indeed use it in your scalp, but you can also use it over your body. So I like that because, you know, I like smelling good, okay? Which leads me to the next thing. This shampoo, soap, whatever you want to call it, smells absolutely amazing. It truly smells like peppermint. Now, I'm not sure what hemp smells like because the peppermint kind of takes over as far as scent goes. So it's truly true to the scent. It is considered to be one of the purest organic products that you can purchase. It has no synthetic preservatives, no detergents, and no foaming agents. They also use only the purest organic ingredients. Most of them are also fair trade ingredients. They work with the fair trade suppliers to implement regenerative organic farming practices that enrich soil, increase biodiversity, and help combat climate change. It is USDA organic, and they see their products as an engine to create positive change in the world, funding and fighting for the causes they believe in: regenerative agriculture, fair trade, drug policy reform, wage equality, animal welfare, peace on spaceship Earth. So all of those things, y'all, all of those things really just pulled me in when I actually got into the store and purchased this product. So after using this product, because one of the main ingredients in here is peppermint, you do get a slight tingling sensation. Also, I like the texture of this particular product. It is not thick. It's almost watery, if you can see that there from the side here. It has a lot of movement to it, like water. The texture of this product is still very thin, like water. I wanted to be careful when I kind of poured it, but you can kind of see it, you know, move in my hand like water. You don't really get a foaming. As you guys can see, I'm rubbing it in my hand. there's no foaming going on here. As I rub my hands, y'all, oh, that peppermint is amazing. The only downfall I have is the price. And another downfall about this particular product is I think, and keyword think, I think this product may have been one of the things that led to me getting built up in my locks, and specifically near the root of my locks where I would do my interlocking. I noticed that I started to get build up there, and that was one of the things that really turned me off. Again, I can't specifically say that this product is the cause of that, but I definitely know that after using this product for quite some time, I noticed I started getting built up within my lock itself. And so I'm a little on the fence about that. But the last wash I did not use this product, and so far so good, no build up. So I'm thinking that this particular Castile soap could have been a contributor to that. So that's my main downfall about this product, because it may have possibly been part of the root cause of the buildup that I noticed in my lock itself. So yeah, those are my only two downfalls about this product. Will I purchase it again? I can't be 100% sure about that. Maybe, maybe not. But if I do purchase it again, I will not be using it in my hair. I will most certainly use it on my body only. However, don't use it in your private areas, ladies, because it might irritate you. Just FYI, if you're sensitive like me. That concludes today's video. If you've ever tried Bronner Brothers Castile soap, tell me which one is your favorite. I know that I've tried the tea tree version of this product. I've tried that in my hair as well. It's a no-go. I noticed build up using that one as well. So, okay, you guys, so that concludes today's video. If you have questions about this product, something that I did not hit on while discussing this, let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. That concludes today's video. I'll see you too in the next one. Smooches.